Introducing the all-new Tiane, the perfect fusion of innovation and beauty. Embark on a transformative skincare journey with Tiane, where innovation meets beauty in perfect harmony. Our groundbreaking skincare formula, crafted by a team of professionals at the forefront of the beauty industry, seamlessly blends precious ingredients with cutting-edge technology. Let's explore what makes Tiane the key to your radiant skin. Tiane 5-in-1 Skincare Perfect Efficacy. A variety of precious ingredients and innovative formulas, combined with a professional beauty research team and modern technological devices, effectively nourish your skin, brighten your complexion, moisturize and hydrate, fade spots, and fight aging, restoring elasticity and firmness. What can you expect in just 4 weeks? Radiant and glowing skin, crystal clear complexion, natural and healthy radiance. Tiane is trusted. 95% of users highly recommend it. Say goodbye to dull skin and welcome a brighter, more beautiful you. Experience a 4-week journey to radiant skin. Tiane, illuminate your beauty. Glowing beauty with Tiane.